What is going on, guys? So, if a lot of you don't know, it has been snowing. Actually, I guess a lot of you may not know because you might not live in Pennsylvania. But pretty much, I live in Pennsylvania, it's been snowing. And now, I'm gonna try not to make this title very clickbaity. So the title is something like snow BRZ shit. So pretty much, the next clip I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be me actually driving in the snow with the car. When the storm just started, I'll just give you a little bit of background. It was a lot of just ice, and it was just like a sheet of ice on the ground. So it wasn't actually snow driving, but it was bad weather in a rear-wheel drive car, and I saw the stock performance, summer performance tires in the car, so you know that definitely didn't help. But yeah, it was definitely a lot trickier to drive than I thought it was gonna be. So that next clip is gonna be me driving in the actual bad weather. It is currently sleeting and like snowing and freezing raining right now. This is the worst weather I've had this car in so far. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit like nervous about it because I've never had a rear-wheel drive car before this. So I mean, I'm not gonna make a whole video on this, I'm just gonna put this part. But I guess right now is a good time to see how good this car actually is in the snow and stuff and the ice, because I've heard really good things about it. And then I get to test out how good the winter package thing is, because I have that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I do. So I have heated mirrors, heated everything, so we're gonna find out how that really is. I'm on my way to work, and I'm gonna let you guys know when I get to work and see just a little how it did. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. I literally gotten 5 feet outside of my apartment, and yeah, I already started losing control of the back. So far in the ice or slush, yeah, this car is not very good. I've read really good things about it, but if you step on it at all, like more than like that far with your throttle, you're gonna slide out. Like, it's kind of bad. So far, the good news is that the winter package on this car, A1. My buns are nice and toasty right now. My mirrors are completely clear, but I can't keep traction on these roads. So I just got to work, and the roads like later on really weren't like too bad, but the beginning was pretty terrible. So yeah, BRZs in the snow or ice, yeah, so far to no go. They're not very good. I completely realize you guys can't see me, but it's nighttime now. It's snowed even more, so we're gonna see how this trip goes. I keep forgetting to press the record button. So right now it's about 8 or so on the ground, and I went around a small like turn. Actually, I'm going uphill right now. But like that small turn, I'm going. I was saying before, I'm going 14 miles an hour. I'm going real slow, and like around a slow, small turn, I am still sliding out a bit. I never changed out my rims, and I'm still running the summer performance tires. So yeah, call me an idiot because I know. I didn't really have the money available because I want to do other things to the car first. Yeah, but like I've got to go around another turn like up here. But I've been saying it's second gear. I mean, as long as you're going straight, it's not too bad. But yeah, any turn you're gonna slide just a little bit. The traction control is very good in this car, luckily. Because if it catches you at like, if you turn and you slide a little bit, I'll probably turn you like, let's see if I slide here. I didn't slide at all there. You just let off the gas, the car will take you where you need to go. The traction control is very good in this car, that if you have any sort of like slippage, it really does correct itself really fast and really like efficiently. It's awesome. Let's see if I can not slide around this. I hit that turn at 9 miles an hour. I didn't slide, but usually I do. I mean, I'm gonna put a little bit of gas on. You can watch my RPMs. Like that's a complete slide right there. And I barely even did anything. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah, so with the BRZ, maybe any rear-wheel drive car, I don't really know. I would try to stay out of the snow, unless you have like the proper like tires for it. That was a pretty sketchy drive. I drove probably 2 miles in the snow. It's only about an inch, and I was sliding all over the place.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
I went to my normal parking lot where I usually shoot, and I just got stuck in like 2 inches of snow. That wasn't very fun. Yeah, pretty much the plan for the rest of the day now is like, I'm just gonna, you know, drive around, take some pictures while the snow still looks nice. This video's gonna come out like a week after I actually recorded, because I'm going home this weekend, and I'm not sure how much I'll be able to like record when I'm at home, because, you know, I've got family and stuff coming over, and everything's coming up. So, well, I guess Thanksgiving will be already over by the time you guys see this video. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, you know, just taking pictures with the snow, looking all nice. So I have some stuff to post this week while I am home. Yeah, I'm just going to like all my favorite spots right now. It's kind of cool to see them all covered up in snow. The one spot I took like 2 pictures because I got stuck. I got some other nice pictures. They're all on my Instagram. My Instagram has been like blowing up lately, which is like awesome. In the last week, I've gained over 100 followers. So that's pretty cool. So hopefully, you know, those followers will come watch my videos too. So if you guys came from Instagram, you guys know who you are. So just any advice to anyone that owns a BRZ. I mean, I have stock tires on it. Unless you have like winter wheels or something on it, I would advise not to drive in the snow. So the parking lot I usually like to take pictures in had about 2 inches of snow in it. And like, I guess I had like a layer of ice in it too. But I just got like, I got to the center of it, I drifted around, did a couple donuts, and got stuck right in the middle of it. And I was gonna record, but like, I kind of just wanted to get out of there before I got stuck again, before like cops come, because cops around where I'm at are like real strict about that stuff. But I completely got stuck, and yeah, it's not very much snow. So I mean, I was just like backing in and out until I eventually got out. But yeah, so right now I'm just taking some pictures though. You know, everything looks pretty nice with all the snow and stuff. I should probably do some panning shots too. I was gonna do that in my parking lot where I usually do them, but as I said, I got stuck.
But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots,
all these spots look so much different, like with the snow. I mean, yeah, it makes sense because it's snow, but I mean, everything's just so like bleak, but at the same time, I kind of like how it looks. I think it looks really cool. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take a couple more shots because it is fucking cold out here. I'm gonna take a few more shots, probably then, you know, call it a day, night. It's getting real cold out here now. I don't really want to be out here much longer. You know, I really had a vision for that, and I have no clue how that came out. It probably looked absolutely ridiculous, but it probably sounded good. So there's some ups and downs for it. I thought putting a little bit of snow in my tailpipe would have made it look cool, but then I realized it's all pretty much ice, and it was probably gonna clump up, which I think it did. We'll see how it is. when you just want to go home and you catch every single red light on this road. I've passed 3 red lights now, or 3 stoplights, and I've had to be stopped at every single one. That's kind of annoying. Hey, looky here, number 4 now. Every single red light I have to stop at. Alright, this is the number 5. I'm really curious of why I'm hitting every single stoplight. This is kind of crazy now. It's kind of funny. I just got like when I was pulling into my apartment complex and I was parking, a cop was telling me I have too much snow on my car, but there was already like a quarter of my windshield, or yeah, back windshield like covered now. Oh well. But all in all, I'm gonna say driving the BRZ in the snow is definitely not the best time, especially since I'm on my stock tires and everything. So I have the performance package on my car, so I have wider tires. They're 7.5 inch opposed to 7 inch. But yeah, it didn't really help much. Yeah, I got stuck. Like, I got right to the center of the parking lot and I got completely stuck. And then when I was going to work yesterday and coming home, I kept getting like, I kept fishtailing out. So it's a little bit tough to drive that car in the snow. You just gotta be real careful. As long as you go really slow, you should be fine. But yeah, I would say it's a little tough. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stop the video today. I'm not sure this one's gonna be short, so because I have that clip of me driving, but I'm gonna have some more editing, like with the slow-mo panning shots. I enjoy taking those. I think I'm starting to get better at them, but I don't know. You guys are gonna be the judge of that, really. Yeah, I took some nice pictures. Follow my Instagram, TTR_BRZ, same as my YouTube tag. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.
Better job.